Welcome back to the Trading Board Lab, and I'm your host Abdul. In the last video, we have done proper optimization of the TDEM robot, and then we have selected the best one. In this video, you will learn how you can save that best input setting file for later use, or you can just copy paste to your VPS or other computers for real-time use. Without wasting any time, let's begin. And here the backtesting is going on. Let me stop this process. If you already watched the previous video, you already know we have selected this set file as the best input set file, and in the graph, if you remember, the graph is going consistently upward. So after completing the optimization process and analyzing all these, you need to right click here, then run the single test, and once you start, you can see the backtesting is complete and the graph is going upward smoothly. Now let's move to the backtest. Here are all these settings. The profit factor is higher than 1.5 and the recovery factor is higher than 5. Now let's move to the inputs, and here simply you need to right click and then save. When you click here, it will open a folder. You need to simply remove this star and then write your own name. After writing the name, you need to select your desired folder where you want to save these settings. As you see, I already saved this set file here, the gold M5 TDM analysis. And now we have saved this set file. This is the best optimized input setting of the report. You no need to put the best setting one by one when you select a board on the chart. You simply need to click on the load button and then select this file, and all these settings will be loaded into your EA. Let's move to the screen and let's have a practical. I will open a new chart window. Here I will just do some setup and look for the board I want to apply on the chart. Here I am working on the latest board, which is 4.5, and I will simply right click on it and attach to chart, or you can simply drag and drop on the chart. So from here I will select allow algo trading, allow modification of signal settings, and if you not see that section, you can simply go here in the common section and you can select these, and here in the input sections you need to change all these input values one by one. But if you have a saved input setting, you simply need to click on the load and then into the folder where you have saved the input setting. It will only select the .set file expert sets. This means the settings of expert advisor. I will select it and then click on the OK. When I click on the OK, all the settings are loaded into the EA. Before pressing OK, you need to make sure these two boxes are checked. If you not check these boxes, the robot will not work. After loading the settings, simply press the OK, and the robot is loaded with the new and latest best optimized input settings. But here again, if you see here, the cap is in gray color, which means the robot is not working right now. To fix this issue, you simply need to look for this button here on the top, algo trading. It is stopped. When you click on it, you will see the cap will turns blue. And the one important thing we are missing here, that we have applied the robot on 1 hour time frame while it is optimized for 5-minute time frame. It is very important to apply the same board with the same input settings on the same time frame. I hope you enjoyed this small class.